Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the intraday intensity index indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the intraday intensity index indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So, to date, we have tested 265 indicators, and out of those 265 indicators, 107 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 107 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So we'll go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, as I said, today's indicator is the intraday intensity index indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. This indicator was actually created by, I'm not sure if it's created by Bollinger or if it was just created as an addition to be used with Bollinger Bands. But nonetheless, it is meant to be used kind of as a confirmation with Bollinger Bands. And so you will, if you search it, you will probably come across a few different scenarios where they are combined together. I didn't find a specific indicator that had them combined together. I just found this one on its own. I'll dig a little deeper and see if maybe I can find one where they're both combined, this and the Bollinger Bands, and maybe gives a signal. That would be really nice. I'm not sure if it exists for TradingView, but like I said, I'll see if I can find it. But I wanted to test this one as a standalone because of course it is thrown out there as just a standalone indicator, even though it is, directed to be used with Bollinger Band. My philosophy is anybody who's been watching the channel for a while knows I've said it a few times before, but sometimes we'll find indicators that weren't meant to be used a specific way or as a standalone that work really well being used in a way they weren't really meant to be used for, maybe as a standalone indicator. And so I figured it would be worth a try to throw this one on screen and give it a shot. You can see it here. Basically, it is a histogram, or you could probably consider it a bar graph more than a histogram, because it does have these big, long, or big, heavy weighted bars. But basically, when we pick up blue bars, that's going to be a signal to go long. When we pick up red bars, that's going to be a signal to go short. Pretty simple setup. That's basically how we're going to test it. So let's go ahead and get on with it here. Start testing it. Make sure that I pick up every single signal. I have a habit sometimes of missing signals. I get called out on the channel quite frequently for missing a signal or two. It's my apologies on that. I don't mean to. Let's see here. So we pick up a short signal right there, right at the beginning of the year, and not sure if that one got us. So no, it did not hit our stop, and it was able to roll over and actually get us to take profit. So sorry if you hear my dog in the background. He's over there sleeping and dreaming. He must be chasing a squirrel or something. I don't know what he's doing in his dream, but he's making all kinds of ruckus nonetheless. So alright, so there is a long signal right there on that one, and that one got us to take profit as well. Let's see, we pick up a short signal over here for just a moment, and then almost immediately it spikes back to the blue. This one is a little challenging to read sometimes. Let me zoom in on it a little more here. So it looks like we actually picked up one there as well, and then one there as well that spiked up back and forth there for a moment. Then eventually it gets us a short signal right there, which worked out for us. And let's see, we pick up a long signal over here on this side here. Long signal there. Almost immediately it starts to reverse on us. And right there we get a short signal. That one did get us to take profit. So not too horrible at this point. It's kind of about break even. Let's see. Then we get a long signal right there. Let's see. It actually, yep, it did. It came down and stopped us out right there. So I'm going to cut some of the video out here and pick this back up when we get closer to the end of the year. And yeah, we'll pick it up then. All right, so we are right at the end of the year. Actually, it looks like I overshot the end of the year just a little bit right there. So this is going to be the signals it gave us for 1 year. Let me zoom in on this a little bit more right there. All right, so let's count them up here and see what we get. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So we get 19 signals all together, and we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 winning trades. Unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. It did seem like when things were moving really good, it was catching some reasonably decent signals. But when it got into a really choppy or consolidating market, it seemed like it was giving a lot of really choppy signals, bouncing us in and out of trades rather quickly, losing a lot of trades on the way. So yeah, unfortunately, that's not going to work out for us. This one's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.